Hello, fellow yogis. Welcome to this 10-minute Vinyasa flow you can do anytime you need a mindfulness break throughout your day. You don't need any equipment, but feel free to use some if you like. And let's talk to our mats. Okay, beautiful yogis, come to the front of your mat. Soften your knees, feet are hips distance apart. Take a second to center yourself in your mountain pose as you do a few shoulder rolls. Just let the weight of your world fall off your shoulders for the next 10 minutes. Bring your hands to heart center to form a intention for your practice. And let's flow together. Take a nice deep breath, inhale. Exhale, come into your forward fold. Inhale yourself to a flat spine. Exhale, step or hop back. I'll show you a step first. Keep your elbows into chaturanga. You can drop your knees. And then come into a cobra or up dog. Before meeting me in your down dog, pause here for a breath or two. Catch up if you need to. You can walk out your dog. We're going to do some flowy movements in this one. So lift your back leg up into a split. Let it fall open and explore the opening of that hip for a breath. And then bring it on through, planting it between your palms. Pivot your back foot. Cartwheel yourself up to a warrior two. From here, with your next inhale, you're just going to lift up and back to a peaceful warrior. And as you exhale, come into a side angle. Move that way with your breath. Twice more. And then we're going to hold this last side angle. You can stay here. You can take the arm behind. You can even try a little bind. Take a breath or two right where you are. And then come up out of it. Nice and wide in the center. And surrender to a wide leg forward fold. We're just going to open this up, come to a flat spine, lifting one arm up into a peace sign as you inhale. As you exhale, fold back down. Do that again. And take that once more to each side. Really tuning in to how your body feels as you stretch. And as we come up, we're going to face the other side of your mat, going this way. So come on up, and you're going to dive down into a low lunge, pivoting your back foot. So you're in a low lunge on the back. Open that up for a second, reach, 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 reach. And then let that back knee drop. Come into an Anjaneyasana, take a breath. And then we're going to push back into a half split. You can fold if you wish or stay lifted. And then come forward again into Anjaneyasana, but this time try a little variation. If it works for you, great. Come into an archer. If it doesn't, stick with your plain Anjaneyasana. And then releasing, push back to your half split again. Walk yourself forward, step that front leg back, flow through your vinyasa. You're still facing the other side of your mat. Meet me in your down dog. And take a breath or two here. This time it's your right leg that lifts up into that split, and then let it fall open. And then bring it through, pivoting your back foot to 45 as you cartwheel up into a warrior two. From here, your next inhale lifts you to that peaceful warrior. And exhale to that side angle. Do that 2 more times, moving with your breath. Feeling the flow of the movements. And we're going to hold this last side angle. You can be here. You can drop the arm behind. Maybe try a little bind. And then come out nice and wide in center. Wide leg forward fold again. And remember that peace sign. Your next inhale straightens your back, opens it up, and comes down. And do that to the other side. One more time. We're going to come up and return to the front of our mat. So going that way. Come on up. Diving down. Low lunge here, which you can open up. Reach, 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 reach. And then bring that back knee down as you release the arm. And take your Vinyasa for a breath or two. Before pushing it back into your half split. Bring it up into your Vinyasa. Remember, you can take that variation into archer if you want. And then release. And come back to your half split. Come walking forward, stepping back to plank to flow through your Vinyasa one more time. Inhaling cobra or up dog. Exhale, meeting me in your down dog. Maybe take a second to adjust and take a breath or two here. Before bringing your knees to the mat and just giving me a few cat-cows. Checking in with yourself. How do you feel after that little flow versus when you started? And finish by having a comfortable seat. We're going to do a couple quick mat seat twists to finish. So bring one leg across. Back arm forms the second spine. You can hug or take the elbow. And take a breath or two here. And then just getting that on the other side. The other leg crosses under, bring it up. Finish in a comfortable seat. carrying with you this sense of energetic calmness. Energy that you control as we seal our practice by taking a deep breath of air and tapping our foreheads to remind us to be mindful of our thoughts, our lips for mindfulness of speech, and our hearts in gratitude for our practice. Thank you so much for taking this short break with Only in Sedona Yoga. Our mission is to bring you great yoga programming for free, but we also need your help to grow. So you can do so for free by liking and subscribing to our channel. Check out what we got going on down in the description. If you're planning a Sedona getaway, you can come see us for some yoga instruction on the Red Rocks. Even stay at our studio that we are developing, and we can also do one-on-one virtual instruction. So give us a call, check out our websites, onlyinsedona.com, talktothemat.com. Our number's on there, toll free. Get in touch. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.